yeah. I got all these clear things because I need to organize underneath my kitchen sink. So I'm gonna lay all the stuff out, see what I got. The other week, I can't remember what day, but I like went through the kitchen sink and threw away some stuff and did that. But this is a part of some of my fall projects for the house that I want to do. And I'm just do it. Like, why wait? Why wait? Just do it. Just do it. This one has a lid. They all don't have lids, but they're all stackable. I was in Target stacking stuff. It was accurate. Ouch. So of course I got some inspo from Pinterest. So I'm gonna look at that on my phone and then go from there. I tried to look at sinks that were like similar to mine with the pumps and stuff in the middle or whatever, but we'll see. So these are the bins that I have. This is one big one. One, two, three, four of that kind. And then that one. And this is the kitchen sink. A mess right now. Like, I was double buying stuff because I didn't know. Like, literally, why did I buy another dish detergent when it looks like it's a huge one right there? Oh, I don't think I use that kind. That's why. But whatever. It's just so much stuff. It's about to fall out. So much stuff. I need to recycle these bags. But yeah. I need to eat at some point today too. That would be great. What I'm going to do is start with one side, not get overwhelmed, and just go from there. Pull everything out. I should be able to get rid of some of these containers. I don't want this. I don't use that. Trash. You love me. Trash. More trash.
Body
So took a pause to I cleared everything out as you saw, and now I'm just doing like a test drive of how. Hold on, my bad, Raven. I'm doing like a test drive of what I want this to be like, or the ease of use and how to grab everything. So I took that really thin one and put that on top of there. Oh, that's heavy. So I'm already wanting to change this just based on what I've seen. So I'm gonna change that. But yeah, moving along. Moving along. I love this little camera. It's so little and easy to use.
There you go, popping up in my head again. You don't have to tell me I should let it go. What you mean to me, no, you will never. I must say it's bittersweet. How you feel about it isn't up to me. I already know that you don't treat me right. How to get you off my mind, mind, mind. I'm the only one I am playing. The way I'm craving for you. I see that this shit has expired. I'm over crying to you. I know I need to move on. I'm ready to let it go. I never needed you, no. I just want it. I think I could do without you. Please forgive the mess. No, I'm not usually like this. I'm not usually on my knees. Known to break a heart with ease. Only loving what is fair. Don't know why I fucking get too much. Thinking on you, I hate it. Please don't hit my light no more. This is what you asking for. I'm not missed our conversation, but I gotta cut you off, no hesitation. I'm the only one I am playing. The way I'm craving for you. I see that this shit has expired. I'm over crying to you. I know I need to move on. I'm ready to let go. I never needed you, no. I just want you. I think I could do without you. Without you. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. If I'm the girl that you crave, why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I'm assuming things.
I'm feeling like I don't really need this because I have like big things. Like back there right now, I have big. You look through the. I have like big Clorox, big Dawn, whatever. And this, I like the look of this. I like the look of this stacked. But maybe I'm looking at this wrong as to like how I can add my stuff in there. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong. I think I should definitely, I think towels should go in here. Maybe garbage bags, but then garbage bags and extras. Like, this is why I was supposed to hire somebody. Now I'm doing it myself because I think I'm overthinking it too much, and it's just like get it in there, girl. So I just did that way. And then if I do need anything extra, I do have the extra bins. So I'm just about to just get it in here. Oh, sorry. I'm just about to just get it in here and see what happens and just be satisfied that I was able to clear it out, have some sense of organization and sense of just like calm in here because it was very, very chaotic. And we talked about organizing it for a while. So yeah, let me just finish doing my stuff.
With my click, don't try to change it now. Say you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago. Said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself. When I just heard the voice, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie? Getting caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, 'cause I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me, don't you? Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Say my name, baby. Sudden change. Say my name. If ain't nothing changed, I love you. If you ain't running, baby, say my name. Acting kinda shady. Calling me baby. Better say my name. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know you say that I am assuming things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange. Nobody's holding you back from me. 'Cause I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Baby, I love you. Call me yours. Say my name, say my name. Tell me what you like to do. Calling me baby. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. Shady. Calling me baby. Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Calling me baby. What a sudden change. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
Okay, so I just got everything in there. Of course, got rid of some stuff. It's not like too crazy or the best or super organized right now. I mean, whatever. At least I did it. It doesn't look as crazy as it did. So that I'm grateful for. Getting rid of some stuff. This is just like miscellaneous random stuff, garbage bags. And this is stuff that we reach for, use consistently all the time. I think I do need a little grip or something at the bottom because this was sliding already, but yep, this is what we have.